Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing fine. This will be just a short demo of my Cube clock that I finished for a customer in the Netherlands and will ship it out today. And I will just show here the alarm function. Currently alarm is off. You push in the button and then the items that are blinking can be adjusted. So we go further on. So alarm is off, 14. What was it, 42? Well, I can hold the button and it will go by itself like they normally do. And let's set it to 145. Alarm is off. You can set to LED, all, off, text, buzzer, or all. Let's set to all. This is a code that you can set to get into the advanced menu, where you can adjust various other things like hour mode, temperature, and set delay. And then you see it says alarm on. Actually, now we have to wait quite a bit. Anyway, I'm using the 3D printed case for this clock, hence the name Cube Clock, because it looks like a huge ice cube, I would say. And as I showed you shortly in the video, you can adjust the time to 24-hour mode or 12-hour mode. You can adjust the temperature reading in degrees Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and in Kelvin. And that flimmering, you see it, that's only on the camera, so that doesn't happen if you look at the OLED display directly. On off button, charging port, micro USB. You have a charging LED on the bottom here, and obviously there are built-in LEDs in the corners, which you will see shortly. And here's the navigation button, push in, up and down. Uh -huh. 14, 13. Oops. Where did I see 14? Okay, we do this again. This time we set the alarm to 13. Oops, I cannot three-dimensional see through the phone. And 46. And it has also auto back function to the time. Currently set to 10 seconds. Okay. So in less than 20 seconds the alarm will go off. Not hopefully, it will go off. If you set it to the correct time, of course. Okay, you see here the alarm LEDs. You can also change the pattern on the LEDs and the alarm duration. Currently it's set to 60 seconds. You can set it to less. And if you want to prematurely end the alarm, you just push the button up or down and it will stop the alarm. And that's all there is to it. So this will be on the way today and reach a happy customer, and he will have a clock. I mean, don't we have enough clocks? Obviously, but somehow you can never have enough clocks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bar. I have some interesting news coming up, and I would also appreciate if you could use my affiliate links to Banggood and or even become a Patreon. Who knows? So every little bit helps. Thanks a lot and take care, everybody.